Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play with the Rad Limitless kit from Not Just for Boys Kit Club. And guys, this kit, I used it one for a birthday layout, and the second one will be something to do with being at a carnival. So, you can use it for whatever you like. I'm kind of excited about that. So let me show you what I keep looking at. This paper right here, it's Paper Rose Studios Haymate B. And I love these big dramatic swooshes. So I want to cut the really bold one out and then the little bit more mild one out. And I want to use this Say Cheese Tomorrow at the Park out of this world piece, this aqua piece. That's what I want to do to start. I know that. I'm going to mat this photo I have here of Nick holding corn on a stick with some white cardstock. And then, of course, whatever I have over here, probably going in with my scraps first because I do that a lot. I like to use up the scraps so I don't get stuck with tons of them. So let me tell you the story. We were at a fair and there was a food stand, what have you, and it was called Roadkill Cafe. And I'm like, well, we have to stop. And so Nick got corn on a stick. And I looked at him like, Nick, you look like corn. Totally matched his shirt. And I thought it was funny for some unknown reason. Here we are. Great. I also want to bring in these 49 and Market, like yellowy frames. I thought that would be super cool. And I've got some of these really great camera charms that I think are the cutest. So I want to bring some of them in. So I want to bring in the things, all of the things. What else to tell you? That's what I know so far. Also, guys, I love when we get these squishy hearts. So I'm going to use some of them. I've got great die cuts. Let's see. I've got I Can't Even would be really funny for this picture. And then I can do like epic and cool or something with those pieces. There's so many things, guys. And then between the Essentials kit and the Limitless kit, I have got alphas. So we're going to get somewhere with this. We're going to have fun. I'm going to like it. Now, what else do we have? I'm looking at my other papers. Guys, isn't this such a cool paper? It's from the Retro Days Collection B. It's so cool. Look at the stars. Wait. Nick is really like into stars and stripes. We might have to rethink. We'll see. So let me get this scuffed up. And then I'm going to figure out how I'm going to use the film strips with it. And I can't wait to get playing with it. But for the time being, mat this in white scrap of cardstock, right? Mat it again with probably twice with this because I can. I got to cut this out. I have to scuff it up, all that kind of stuff. And I'll meet you right back here. Yes, that's my plan. Okay, guys, give me a second. Let's see what we have here. Guys, this was so cool. When all right, so the bright stripes are popped up, right? And the darker are just flat. So I'm getting this whole cool shadow effect. And then I use both of those alphas because that's a normal title, right? I double matted, well, I guess triple matted my photo like we talked about it. And the two, the black matte and the orangey matte, that was just the front and back of one of my papers. Easy peasy. Now, guys, I love. I don't even know what I want to do. Oh, and I did decide to go with this stripy paper because, the star paper and the red because it's like, he wears a lot of flag stuff. So I was like, okay, that would be super cute. So I don't know where we're going yet with all of this. I'm just starting to enjoy my little stars and seeing where I might want to put them. Let's see what else. Oh, absolutely perfect for a carnival. He is a very big pop drinker. He's actually likes to play the guitar too. So maybe I should put that in there. So that might be cute. I like this word cool because, well, I mean, the acrylics are amazing, right? But it's yellow. So maybe I can have that come up here and I will put, oh gosh, I wonder, is this big enough to put behind it? It's not showing it enough. Okay, hold on. That's showing it off more, but it's not big enough. I need a little scrap of a little something, something. Oh, wait, what's this? I bet this is big enough. Yes. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and back it on that word cool. So I will be able to show that off a little bit. I'm going to color in my wood pieces because they're amazing and I love them. The I Can't Even is pretty awesome. I just don't know if I have any place for it, but it totally works for this. So we have roadkill on a stick. And if I had I Can't Even, I will fill in the back letters so we can see them. Let's see what I have. Let's see what we have. Guys, I am having way too much fun. And we also have these, but I'm kind of feeling like the patterns that we have are plenty. I love them. Official teenager almost works. Okay. No Bad Vibes is cute. I love that. Guys, I love this. Oh, that is so cool. I can scuff that up and put it on there like that. When I took it out, I messed it up a little bit. So if I scuff it up, it's going to look like I did it on purpose. Yes. Okay. So if I have the I Can't Even, I think I'm going to have like 3 stars there. I'm going to have a couple stars here with that little cool word. I have to color in my wood veneer, which I love doing. I love coloring in the wood veneer with, I know how to say words. I love coloring it in with Distress Oxides. It works so incredibly well. So I'll probably get all of those out and play a little bit while I'm watching TV. Is there anything else right now? I'm just having myself a blast with this kit. I totally am. Okay, I'm going to color those in. I'm going to back this. Ooh, and I've got these great sequins. And guys, I didn't even end up bringing these in. I was having so much fun with this. I just kept going. And so those have to go on the next layout. It's just how it is. All right, let me do this homework. I'll be right back. So this has come together so quickly because these embellishments are incredibly fun. So I backed my I Can't Even with 2 tones of this stripy bits. So I don't know, it just felt like just a little differentiation. I decided to put the soda bottle and the guitar up here with this big old title. I've got a couple stars here, a star here, and then I'm just going to kind of go off with Nouveau drops and sequins, and we're going to wrap this up. It will be done. So guys, I'm going to pop those little bits on. I'm going to have still shots to follow. I will have the links down below for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club website, the Facebook group, and the blog. So come join us, come see what's going on, show us what you're making with these kits. And I'm going to see you guys ever so soon with another video. Still shots to follow.